When it first comes to Western stories, they usually feature brave, loyal, and confident heroes to save the day, while also featuring sick, nasty, and antagonistic villains who will do anything to get what they want. On this side, we see Engineer Roland, a kind-hearted and gentle soul who could never hurt a fly. Now, Mr. Roland, it gives me such significant honor that you bring our one and only money train from here to our First National Bank. But be sure to watch for our most wanted miscreant. He will do anything to swipe $1 a day.
No need to worry, Mr. Guard. I shall keep an eye out and make it there in time with confidence and enthusiasm.
Very well. Good luck and be careful.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
While on the other side, standing on the hills comes the mean-spirited RattFink, a sinister, short-tempered, and law-breaking outlaw.
You ain't kidding, brother! Today, I will be robbing that money train from that sweet, kind-hearted Roland. And when I do so, I'll be rich and nasty. And best of all, I'll buy the old lady's home and kick out the old ladies. And there it is! Alright, Roland, I'm gonna give you a fair warning. 1, 2. Right, you left me no choice, Roland. This time, I'm gonna count to 2, and you better hand over that money train or say hello to my little friend. 1. Fine, Roland. It sure looks like that I'm gonna have to crash you.
Oh dear, I think I'm in that fellow's way. Oh dear, I sure do wonder where that RattFink has gotten himself into this time.
Ooh,